So we know that aloe vera is a medicinal plant that is oftentimes promoted for its benefits to our skin and hair. But did you know that it can also be used as a natural remedy for acid reflux? Keep watching to find out more. Acid reflux happens when acid contents in our stomach consistently leaks into our esophagus, and this usually happens because a valve at the end of our esophagus doesn't close once food has reached into our stomach. And acid reflux is common and happens to all of us from time to time. Symptoms could include things like heartburn, chest discomfort, hoarseness when waking up, or pain when swallowing. Aloe vera has numerous vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. And research has proven that it has anti-inflammatory properties and that it also has antibacterial, antiviral, antiseptic, and wound healing properties. And it can help in preventing ulcers. When it is used internally, aloe vera can help to lower small intestine bacterial growth, and it can reduce acid reflux. Also, bad bacteria produces gas. It causes bloating and belching, and this can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter that keeps your stomach contents in place. Poor digestion can contribute to acid reflux, and aloe vera has been found to help blood circulation in the digestive system, and this in turn helps with the frequency of heartburn and indigestion. Over time, chronic acid reflux can damage your esophagus, but aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce the pain and help soothe an inflamed esophagus. In addition, aloe vera's anti-inflammatory effects can aid in repairing damage done due to persistent acid reflux. So, before you take aloe vera, you have to peel the skin and remove the yellow juice that the plant produces because this is toxic. Once this juice is removed, you can use the gel in different ways. For example, you can use it to make aloe vera water, and you can drink this water. If you would like to know how to make this water, I uploaded a video several months ago sharing exactly how this is done. So if you're interested to see it, you can click on the link in the description below. You can also drink aloe vera juice made from the gel. You can consume the gel as is, or you can take aloe vera soft gels, and you can get these to buy on Amazon. So if you'd like to take a look at some of the latter, then you can click on the link in the description below. Aloe vera can cause stomach discomfort and diarrhea, so if that happens, it is recommended for you to desist from taking it. It can worsen certain maladies like Crohn's disease, hemorrhoids, and ulcerative colitis. Aloe vera can also lower glucose levels. Pregnant women or those trying to get pregnant should avoid using aloe vera internally. That's it for now, guys. Please remember to do your own research.